Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Let's begin. And we can start with simply checking if our auto brightness is enabled. We can do that by going into settings, scrolling down a little and clicking display and brightness. Here we have at the top our brightness levels and right at the bottom automatic. So let's make sure that it's not like this, but instead it's enabled like this one. And as you could see, it already increased my brightness accordingly to my surroundings. And speaking of adjusting accordingly, do you know how it works? Well, it's working thanks to sensors that are built inside your phone, that are directly engineered to check the sensors of brightness around you. And sometimes they are on the fault for your auto brightness not working. How can we fix it? Well, it's incredibly important and surprisingly very easy. All you want to do is to press and hold your power button and volume up or down. I'm not entirely sure. One of them will perform a screenshot, which is power button, power volume down. So let's hit power button and power and volume up. And this will take us to screen recorder. Great, but it's not what we want. We want to turn off our device, which surprisingly is very hard on this. I'm honestly surprised because normally you have a button right here for disabling your phone, but it appears that here we do not have this option, which is pretty interesting. So let's keep pressing and holding power button and volume down, which will create a screenshot, but we'll also keep holding for a few seconds at most. Beautiful. We have just performed a soft reset, or, as you may know, a simple reboot of your device. And whenever we reboot our device, we are not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including the sensors I just talked about. If they are faulty, if they have some sort of bug or whatever, then a simple reboot will probably put them, well, to rest, but then it will actually respawn them, and then they should be working at 100% once again. So these things should really help you with your auto brightness. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.